Hello and welcome to Prime News. First, a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes review of Zyka bribery case. Modi meets CM and Parrikar in Delhi. Parsekar briefs PM on status of investigation. Pakistan should be declared terrorist state. State should decide on land acquisition. No one raised issue with me on BJP-MGP alliance. Gadkari tells prudent. Churchill approaches High Court for bail, raises issue of his personal liberty. High Court sent notice to Crime Branch hearing on Friday. Ghanshyam Malvankar and Ramakant Gaunekar granted conditional bail in IDC bribery case. ACB had arrested duo while accepting bribe to allot a plot at IDC. And Don Bosco Ratri clinched inter-village football title at Manora. DBO beat Naveli Villages Union in finals. And now the news in detail. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has intervened in the Louis Berger bribery case. Modi took stock of the investigation in a meet at Delhi with Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar and Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar. CM briefed him about the investigation, people involved and the status of the case. Niti Aayog Skill Development Committee held a meeting in Delhi on Tuesday. After the meet, Parsekar along with Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar met the Prime Minister.
Prime Minister has taken strong cognizance of Louis Berger scam. He met the CM Lakshmikant Parsekar and Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar. Parsekar furnished all details of the case including investigation, people involved and the status of the case. The war for Madai water has reached Prime Minister's court. An all-party delegation led by Karnataka Chief Minister had met the Prime Minister on Monday with an intent to settle the water dispute outside the court. PMO says the Prime Minister has suggested for a consensus among the various political parties in all the three states. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar along with Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar met the Prime Minister. Parsekar feels no need for Goa to seek PM's intervention.
म्हादयचो विषय येलो
ताणे काय काढून आमकां ताणे काय सिरियस घेवंक ना आमच्या लक्षांत आयलें नाल्यार तो काडपाचो कायद्यान कितें आसा तें जावन आयकता हांव आनी ताका भितर कितें चुकतें दिसलें जाल्यार ही वूड हॅव आस्क्ड अस टुडे मिसचिफ किंवा तांकां आपल्याक त्या केसीक प्रॉस्पेक्ट बरें दिसना नासतलो म्हणून तितलें काम थंय यश मेळचें ना असो अंदाज जाल्यार ते कदाचित दुसरी बाजू पळयतात.
On one side, residents of Hubli, Dharwad are building pressure on Karnataka government for diversion of Madai water. While on the other side, Madai Bachao Abhiyan is planning to approach the Supreme Court and the Green Tribunal against the project.
ज्या पद्धतीन सध्या हो विषय जो आसा तो आमचे ॲडव्होकेट जनरल हाताळटात त्या पद्धतीन आमकां ह्या संदर्भान यश मेळपाची शक्यता जरी असली तरी आम्ही नॅशनल ग्रीन ट्रायब्युनलच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आणि सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान ह्या विशयाचेर आमकां न्याय मेळचो हाच्या खातीर आमचे म्हादय बचाव अभियान आणि त्याशिवाय बाकी पर्यावरण संघटना आसा ते प्रयत्न करतात.
Meanwhile, Niti Aayog Skill Development Committee held a meeting in Delhi on Tuesday. Parsekar attended the meet. This committee will submit report to the government in next 15 days.
आयच्या तरुणांक स्कील करूंक जाय जे स्वताच्या पांयाचेर उबे रावतले. कितें आसा तें सगळें ना ITIचेर कितें करप, 12वेचेर कितें करप, मागीर SSC जावच्या पयलीं प्री वोकेशनलान कितें करप, वोकेशनलान कितें करप, इंडस्ट्रीक कितें करचें पडटलें, मागीर CSR एक्टिविटी म्हणून कंपनी जी जेका 5 कोटी परस फायदो जाता ते 2% CSR एक्टिविटी दिता, CSRाक दवरतात. ते CSRांतले 2%तलो 1% हो केवळ स्किल डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर करतो. अशे अनेक सूचना आमी सरकाराक दिल्या, रिपोर्ट दिला.
Chief Minister Parsekar also presented a check of 1.9 crores towards Prime Minister's National Relief Fund for Jammu and Kashmir floods relief. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with Uday Parab for Prudent.
Union Transport and Shipping Minister Nitin Gadkari has come out hard on Pakistan in our weekly program Head On. Gadkari said Pakistan should be declared as a terrorist nation. India is ready for bilateral talks on development and trade, but not on supporting terrorism. If Pakistan resorts to terror tactics, India will give a befitting reply. Gadkari has firmly supported marinas and floating jetties in Goa. He has assured to ensure upliftment of fishermen in the state.
And with the land acquisition bill ordinance and the tangle, how are you looking at that?
आप मुझे बताओ, हमने तय किया गरीबों के लिए घर बनाएंगे। घर क्या हवा में बनेंगे? आज 2022 तक देश के गरीबों को घर तो लैंड लगेगी। और जिस क्षेत्र को विकास चाहिए वो कानून बदले, जिनको नहीं चाहिए वो जयराम रमेश और राहुल गांधी के मार्गदर्शन में अपने स्टेट का विकास रोक कर बैठे रहे। हमको अगर आप पॉलिटिकलाइज करके राज्यसभा में विरोधी कर रहे हो, लेट इट गो इनटू द कोर्ट ऑफ स्टेट, वो देखते रहेंगे।
दाऊद का जब भी विषय आता है तो इट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल।
और पाकिस्तान को टेररिस्ट कंट्री करके जाहिर करना चाहिए।
डू यू फील दैट इंडिया शुड ट्राई समथिंग लाइक बिन लादेन व्हेन इट कम्स टू दाऊद?
सर, ऐसी बातें कोई टीवी इंटरव्यू के चर्चा के विषय नहीं होती। कुछ बातें बोलने की होती, कुछ करने की होती। पर पाकिस्तान हमारे देश में आतंकवाद को एक्सपोर्ट करता है और आतंकवादियों को एक्सपोर्ट करता है, तो हम ये भी जानते हैं कि ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देना भी जानते हैं। अब वो ऐसा है कि टेरर पर बात हो सकती है, पर टेररिस्ट और टेररिस्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन उसको सपोर्ट करने की बात होगी तो चर्चा कैसे होगी?
There have been many signals coming out from the BJP that they are not happy with MGP or the conduct of MGP ministers, the way they are interfering.
मेरे पास तो कोई सिग्नल नहीं है।
आपके पास कोई सिग्नल नहीं आया?
अभी तक कोई आए नहीं मेरे पास। थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुई तो मनोहर जी और मुख्यमंत्री सॉल्व कर लेंगे। अभी तक तो 5-10 हज़ार 10-12 मालूम नहीं कितना मैंने पिछले बार दिया। गोवा वाले और मांग ले, मैं और दे दूंगा, और काम करूंगा। गोवा में जितने प्रपोजल जेटी के उतने डालो। 10 करोड़ तक पैसेंजर जेटी के लिए, फ्लोटिंग जेटी के लिए पैसा देता हूँ। 25 करोड़ रुपए आपको कंटेनर के लिए और ट्रैफिक के लिए देता हूँ। और आप बनाओ जेटी, 50% मेरे, 50% तुम्हारे दो। हम फिशरमैन के पेट पर लात नहीं मारना चाहते, हम गरीब आदमी को बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहते। पूरी दुनिया में इतने मरीना खुले, वहाँ क्या फिशरी का डिपार्टमेंट बंद हुआ क्या? हम उल्टा, मैंने आज कहा कि समुद्र में कोई ऐसे सीड छोड़ो कि अच्छे फिश कैसे तैयार होंगे।
Former PWD Minister Churchill Alimau has approached the High Court seeking bail in Zyka bribery case. Churchill in his plea has contended that he has been deprived of his personal liberty granted by the Constitution of India on mere suspicion that he may tamper with the evidence. The High Court has issued notice to Crime Branch and has fixed hearing on Friday. Churchill Alimau, lodged in Kolwari Jail judicial custody, has knocked the doors of High Court seeking conditional bail. Churchill, in his bail application filed before the High Court through his next friend, Sevia Alimau, has contended that case against him is based upon only statements of witnesses and co-accused. Crime Branch has no documentary evidence that he received bribe money. Documentary evidence to be obtained from US authorities and courts, which would take months. Lodging him in jail is not serving any purpose. He should not be deprived from his liberty upon only belief that he would tamper evidences and witnesses. In light of punishment defined in law for charges leveled against him, he ought to have been released on bail. And he has no criminal background as he has been acquitted in past criminal cases. Pointing out humanitarian ground, Churchill has mentioned that he is suffering from many illnesses. On Churchill's bail plea, the High Court has issued notice to Crime Branch and has scheduled the hearing for Friday. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.